Hey everybody, Jenny Hughes here with another installment of my Wheel of Life Affirmations series. Last week we did finances, and I talked about softening up the affirmation of my financial opportunities are boundless and my higher power supports me completely. I softened it up by adding the what if. What if my financial opportunities are boundless and my higher power supports me completely? Well, I attended an awesome 3-day conference over the weekend with the incredible Colette Baron-Reed. Many insights, but the big one for me was around feeling into the vision for your life. So the theme of the workshop was, what is your vision for your life? And I got to tell you, that question is super stressful to me because I'm like, I don't know what my vision is. I don't know. It gets me all stressed out. And what I learned at the conference is it's not about seeing exactly what it is. It's about the feeling of it. How do you want to feel? And I started thinking about my affirmation and the fact that words like financial and finances and money and wealth, those are all triggering words for a lot of people. I know they're triggering for me, and I don't want to feel triggered. I came across another affirmation, just a lovely simple one that says, I love, how did it go? I love joyful and prosperous opportunities. I thought, oh, that's really good. And I'm hiking along because it's really good to do affirmations when you're moving. So I'm hiking along and I'm doing that one and I'm thinking, joyful, that's a great word, but it doesn't quite fit. I'm looking for something else. And I was thinking about times in my life when I have felt financially abundant and when I felt good, when I've had jobs that I really enjoyed and they were paying me well. And I thought, what's a word that I could use that would really seal this in? This is how I like to play with affirmations. And I thought, engagement. I love to have work where I feel engaged. And so I've reworked the affirmation so that it's got the feeling piece in there and the words that I want. And this is what you should do with your affirmations to make them sweet spot affirmations. So my new affirmation is, I love to attract opportunities that feel engaging and prosperous. Boom, how's that one? I just love that. It gets that feeling spark in me, and in fact, it's shifted how I want to teach about affirmations too. I've been teaching that they have to have the two important aspects of one, feeling true, and two, they've got to open the door to possibility. But you know what? There's a third aspect. They've got to make you feel into that thing that you want. And that's what this one does for me. So that's my new affirmation that I'm doing when I'm hiking, that I love to attract opportunities that feel engaging and prosperous. Okay, so that was last week's affirmation. Sorry to switch it on you, but finances are a big part of the wheel of life, so I think they deserve 2 weeks, don't you? Well, let me give you the one for this week, and that is contribution. I think contribution is an important part of the wheel of life. According to Tony Robbins, it's one of the 6 basic needs of humans to contribute. And so I've got this lovely, simple affirmation for that, which is that I love having a positive impact on my community or in my community. I don't know, play around. See how you want to structure that affirmation. See what it means to you. How do you want to feel when you are contributing? All right. Now, another thing I wanted to talk about was the fact that affirmations are really good for training the mind. In fact, a really funny thing that happened that they talked about on the conference was Dr. Joe Dispenza, I guess, talks about the mind like it's an unruly puppy, which made me laugh. You have to keep training it with these positive affirmations because it wants to think negatively. It wants to focus on the negative. Oh, darn it, I lost my train of thought. So affirmations are about training the mind, the unruly puppy mind. But we are a mind and a body. The body piece is super important. In fact, if you think about stress, stress is a mind-body issue, right? You've got reactions going off in your mind and you've got reactions going off in your body. So I like to think about it that we hold stress in our minds and we hold tension in our bodies. And I want to address both of those. That's why I'm teaching workshops that are called Discover Your Inner Clarity and Freedom, because when you address that tension that's in your body, you get more of that body wisdom, more inner clarity, more inner freedom. More freedom on your inside is going to translate to freedom in your life. So my workshop is a 1 hour. It's virtual, it'll be on Zoom, and you can find out more information on my Eventbrite events page. The link to that lives on my webpage, www.jennyhugheshealing.com. You can also find it on my Facebook page, where I have the Eventbrite, list them on Facebook also. So, plenty of places to find me. Hope you have a great week. Please let me know what happens when you use these affirmations. Remember, they're supposed to be 15 minutes a day, and it goes faster, I think, if you're moving, like if you're on a walk or driving your car. Driving your car is a really good place to do the affirmations too. So let me know those aha moments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.